I have finally found the ideal device for myself that allows me to consume and create content wherever I am and do so with maximum convenience. I am referring to the iPad mini. Hi everyone, I've been using the iPad mini 6 for a year now and it's the best device I've ever owned. In this video I will explain why this iPad is indispensable for me as a versatile tool for both content consumption and creation. iPad for information consumption. While the iPad is an incredible device for reading and watching, it may not be the best choice for Instagram or TikTok, but is that a disadvantage? I don't think so. Now, let me share how I personally utilize the iPad for reading and watching. I enjoy watching videos while eating or performing other daily activities. When I want to relax, I browse websites while comfortably sitting on the sofa. In terms of my specific needs, this device is indispensable and truly stands out without any competitors. Let's compare it with alternatives. Other small tablets. There are some small Android tablets, but they can't compare with the quality and performance of this iPad. Moreover, Android apps are mostly less optimized for tablets. Bigger iPads. These tablets aren't convenient to hold with two hands for extended periods. Since this is the primary use case for me, this point is absolutely crucial. Phones. Phones are too small and aren't recommended for long usage, at least for me. Laptops. Laptops are too heavy and I often find it difficult to start doing something on a laptop, especially after a long day of using one for work. E-ink readers. The last option is e-ink readers. I have one that has tablet functionality, but it's still not as convenient as a tablet because it's too slow. Thus, the iPad mini is the best device for me when it comes to browsing the web and watching YouTube. Let's move on to the next part, why the iPad mini is the best device for content creation. Initially, the iPad mini was primarily a device for consuming content for me. I enjoyed reading websites and watching videos, but I didn't use it for typing texts or other tasks that involve creating something. Over time, typing on my tablet became quite habitual and I found out that it's even relatively convenient if I hold the tablet vertically like a phone. The keyboard is big enough and the width of the device allows me to hold it without any problems. Later, I realized I could benefit from the Apple Pencil, so I started using it during the thought process. GoodNotes and Pencil are awesome for this purpose. As a result, I achieved a great typing, writing and drawing experience that allowed me to create several videos on my YouTube channel entirely on the iPad mini. The iPad mini is awesome, but it's not ideal. Let's talk about some problems. Some apps are poorly optimized for the relatively small screen of the iPad mini. Additionally, there are a few apps that don't have an iPad version. Some websites look good on either phones or larger tablets, but they don't display as well on the mid-size screen of the iPad mini. These problems might be solved by switching to a bigger iPad, but I am not ready to sacrifice the convenience and portability of the iPad mini. For now, it remains the best choice for me. In conclusion, I want to reiterate that this tablet is the best option for me right now. I use it for almost everything. It allows me to create videos, write notes and manage my budget without the need of a laptop. It has become an all-in-one device that truly justifies its cost. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and don't forget to check out my previous video on how to use Telegram as a productivity tool.